So occasionally you'll get in a machine and the sensitivity will not feel right to you. The controls are just too quick, they're too slow, they're sluggish, or you want it to do something quicker. Say you want your bucket to flip a load of dirt up a little bit. You just want things to happen quicker. On the Bobcat machine, there are adjustments for all these things. Let's go over those right now. All right, here we go for the procedure to do your lift tilt compensation. First, start the machine. Make sure your lap bar is down. Hold the float button. Press your traction lock override button. That brings up LTC, that stands for lift tilt compensation. All right, then go to the control you want. This would be tilt back or lift up on your bucket, excuse me. Up here it says LU, back down here to your rocker, left or right on your rocker. So you can go negative or positive. You want it to lift up faster, you go up there. I don't know how far it goes, I think it goes up to 20, or to negative. That just speeds up and slows down. Load her down, load her up, tilt back, tilt out. Same basic principle. Okay, now if you want to save these settings, press that green button, it'll kick it off, and those settings are saved. I left it at the default of 0 for now, but on a demo, or if you're used to running a machine that's quicker, set it. It doesn't hurt a thing. You can always set it back. Thank you.